This brokerage didn't need another complex CRM. They needed something built around how agents actually work. Agent activity, conversions, deal performance, 100% workflow clarity. Assign an agent, schedule meetings, capture key details, all in one clean interface. No clutter, just momentum. Agents receive smart reminders, and after each appointment, a secure link lets them submit updates instantly. Appointment Manager, built for adoption and growth. If your brokerage is outgrowing your CRM, let's build a system your team will actually use.